In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get tokens in Leonardo AI. If you're new to Leonardo AI or simply looking to add more tokens to your account, I'm here to walk you through the steps easily and efficiently. First things first, let's navigate to the right place in your Leonardo AI account to begin this process. You'll want to head over to the Settings section. Once there, look for Account Management. Within this menu, you'll find an option that says Add Tokens. It's a straightforward approach, ensuring that you're in the right spot to manage your token balance effectively. There is another option available if you'd prefer a different route. You can always visit the Premium Plans page directly. On this page, you'll notice another option to Add Tokens. It's essentially the same option as before, just accessed from a different starting point. This can be especially useful if you're already considering upgrading to a premium plan and want a more streamlined way to handle your tokens. For those of you who actively use Leonardo AI and might sometimes find yourself low on tokens, the system has a fallback reminder. You may receive a prompt titled Add Tokens when your token balance falls below a certain threshold. This friendly reminder ensures you're never caught off guard, running out of tokens right when you need them the most. Now let's talk about payment options for purchasing these tokens. Leonardo AI processes payments through Stripe, which is a secure and widely trusted payment processor. This setup adds an extra layer of security to your transactions, giving you peace of mind. Stripe supports multiple payment methods, so you can choose the one that best fits your needs. For instance, if you are an Apple user, Apple Pay is readily available. If you're inclined towards using Google services, Google Pay is also supported. And of course, the classic method of using credit or debit cards is always an option. This array of choices ensures that you have a convenient way to purchase tokens, regardless of your preferred payment method. As you navigate through these steps, keep in mind that Leonardo AI is designed to make the process as seamless as possible, whether you're adding a small number of tokens or opting for a larger bundle. So whether you're accessing the token edition through Settings or the Premium Plans page, rest assured that the process is streamlined for your convenience. That's all there is to it. With these simple steps, you're all set to manage and add tokens to your Leonardo AI account effortlessly. Thanks for watching, and happy creating with Leonardo AI.